In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Autopitch in BandLab Studio. Start by heading to BandLab and logging into your account. Once you're in, go to your library where your projects are stored. Select the project you want to work on, then open it in Studio. This takes you into the Arrange view, where you can see your tracks as clips on a timeline. Click the track you want to correct. Most often this will be a vocal, but any single note performance that needs a little help will benefit. With the track selected, look toward the bottom left of the screen for the Autopitch icon, and click it to open the effects panel. If the effect looks grayed out at first, that's expected. Toggle Autopitch on to activate it. You'll see a level control shown as a knob or dial which sets the intensity of the correction. Think of 0% as completely off and 100% as the most aggressive setting. Lighter settings keep the performance natural and transparent, while higher settings create that obvious, robotic character. A good approach is to start modestly and raise the level until notes feel secure without sounding stiff. If you're going for a modern, stylized vibe, push it higher and listen for those intentional, stepped transitions between notes. Next, set the musical context so Autopitch knows which notes to aim for. In the top right, open the key dropdown. If you're unsure of your song's key, choose Auto Detect key and let BandLab analyze the project. It's quick and often accurate. If you already know the key and scale, select them manually, something like G minor for example, to anchor the tuning to the exact notes in your track. Manual selection is great when you're shaping a specific mood or when the automatic detection lands a little off because of complex chords or layered harmonies. Major keys generally feel brighter, minor keys feel moodier. If you hear strange note jumps after setting the key, try a different scale option that better matches your melody. As you listen back, make small tweaks to the level. Sustained notes usually tolerate more corrections, while fast runs often sound better with a gentler touch. Aim for a setting where pitch issues are corrected, breaths and vibrato still feel human, and the performance sits naturally in the mix. You can always toggle the effect on and off to compare and confirm that you're improving clarity without losing character. And that's the workflow. You went to BandLab, logged in, opened your library, chose your project, entered Studio, selected a track, opened Autopitch, activated it, set the intensity, and chose the key and scale. You're ready to polish your track with confidence.